Hello everyone, welcome to KOTINT. Today, I'd like to take you inside our factory to see how a high-performance paint protection film is made from a single TPU pellet to a finished, reliable product. At KOTINT, we believe great films always start with great materials. That's why we only use aliphatic polycaprolactone TPU pellets, never off-grade, never recycled. This ensures our films stay stable, won't yellow, and won't hydrolyze. The first step is simply drying the TPU pellets. We strictly control the moisture content of TPU pellets to below 200 ppm. In other words, in 1,000 liters of material, not even a single extra drop of water is allowed, because even the smallest trace of water can compromise transparency and durability. The dried TPU pellets are fed into the extruder, heated to between 180 and 200 degrees Celsius, and slowly melt, just like chocolate. The molten material passes through our US-made EDA precision die head, extruded evenly at around 185 degrees. This die head is like the heart and brain of the process, deciding whether the film forms evenly and stably. But the real key step is cooling. The hot TPU must be solidified instantly. Our lines use 5 cooling water pipes, with temperatures between 10 and 30 degrees, adjusted based on film thickness. It's like quenching steel, it has to be fast and steady to ensure flatness and long-term stability. Once cooled, the film is scanned by a French thickness gauge in real time. The entire production line is fully automated with closed-loop control. The system makes real-time adjustments based on thickness data, ensuring every roll of film remains perfectly consistent. At the same time, we're equipped with high-precision, high-sensitivity defect detectors that can capture even the tiniest imperfections on the TPU film. This means that whether our clients are in Europe, the Middle East, or Southeast Asia, they receive the same consistent quality. Of course, automation doesn't mean we can sit back and relax. Our factory performs monthly maintenance, and most of our technicians have over 5 years of experience, professionally trained to respond immediately to any issue. Machines provide precision, but true stability comes from people and machines working together. So you see, behind a high-performance film, it's not just plastic, it's the synergy of material science, precision equipment, global standards, and experienced teams. And that's why KOTINT films are trusted for long-term partnerships across global markets. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you more real stories straight from our factory floor.